Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I came home and there was something from Ravencrest in the mail. So this would be the $9.99 knife of the month from Ravencrest called the Ravenpac. And the way this works is you get a free knife every month, and it's not at $9.99, but you got to pay for shipping too. So for me it ends up being like $16 or so. And I think that's pretty universal. I've seen some other unboxings of the Ravencrest knives, and I think pretty much everybody pays 16 bucks. So today for the unboxing, I got a Opinel. I think this is the number 6. So we're going to open it up. This one does actually lock. So we'll go ahead and do that. There we go. Wrong way. But you know, last couple months we've gotten fixed blades. This one here looks like it's going to be a folder, and it is a very wide box. This is probably, you know, at least in this direction, the widest box I've ever received from Ravenpac. So interesting. We will see here very shortly what we got for, let's see, this is April 2019. So the box, you know, it's back to the standard Ravenpac black box. Actually, it used to say Ravencrest here. Now it says Ravenpac. So I don't know if the Ravenpac knives are the ones that are the only ones that get that logo, or if they're all that logo. But you can see the box is already splitting at the seams here. I'm guessing that happened in transport. Pretty sure these come from China. But anyways, yeah, no model number, no nothing on there, so we don't know. We don't know what it is. And usually they don't release much information about it right away. You got to wait for a little while before it actually shows up on their website, which is kind of nice because it keeps it a secret for a while. Oh boy. Well, we got ourselves a karambit. That is new for me. I've never received a karambit in the monthly knife of the month Ravenpac subscription. But that is definitely what we have here. So yeah, interesting. I'm not a big karambit guy, to be honest. I've never liked the karambit, so I'm not really all that excited about this month, but we'll look at it as a karambit. That's what it is, and we'll review it that way. Man, I'm just not a big karambit guy. Anyways, so there we go. We got the standard Ravencrest tactical pocket clip. You know, if it didn't have all this business on the end, it would be a deep carry clip. So it's a deep carry clip, just not on a knife that is suitable for deep carry. So, you know, it is decent. I mean, it sticks up a little bit, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. Got, you know, some kind of black coating. I'm not sure exactly what Ravencrest uses as their coatings on these blades, but it's black everywhere, which is pretty standard. Most of the knives, in fact, maybe all the knives that I've gotten from Ravencrest have been black. So this is actually the first non-black handle that I've gotten on the Ravenpac subscription. And I like that. I like the two-tone. You know, you got the black hardware everywhere, standard Torx bits. You know, the fit and finish on it's actually really nice. You know, screw heads aren't all boogered up. You got some nice scalloping here. Everything kind of matches up nicely. You got a backspacer that goes the entire length there, which gives it a nice clean look. Yeah, so overall the look isn't bad. It's going to be thick in that pocket. It's not really heavy, but it's heavier than what I would expect for this size knife. You do have a place for your thumb to go in there and open it. And it is a liner lock. Let's see how that lock up looks. Good. It's nice and early, solid lock up, so that's good. It is easy to get your thumb on there, although it was a little sticky there for a second. You have a flipper, and that comes right out, so that's nice. It's kind of hard to get your thumb out of the way of that piece right there. Once you unlock it, see how it like pushes right on your thumb. So, and that's actually before you get the lock all the way disengaged. So, I don't like that feature. If they would have just not included that, I don't know what you call that, a shark fin. That probably would have been better. The finger hole, I've got medium-sized hands, so I've had some cream, especially the ones from Bud K, where they have really tiny finger holes. This one is not bad. You'd have trouble getting that in there if you had, extra large hands, or if you tried to put your finger through there with a glove or something. But ungloved, no problem. And that shark fin that I didn't like, that does actually lock your pinky in there when you got the reverse grip going. So actually, pretty comfortable in the hand. We'll try it with the right hand. Yeah, nice and comfortable that way. Forward grip, not bad, not bad. It is a little awkward. I mean, like my thumb naturally wants to rest there. I actually have to, physically move it up to hit the jimping, but it's not overly aggressive. It's semi-functional, not spectacular, but it is there, as you can see. And then we got our karambit blade there. So I guess I like the color. I like the color combination on here. That looks nice. Fit and finish is good. Comfort is pretty good. I don't like how it closes, because like as I'm trying to push that, at least with one-handed closing, it's a bit cumbersome, a little clunky doing it that way, because I've got it disengaged, but that lock isn't all the way released yet, and so it just it doesn't want to close that easy. You kind of got to get your thumb out of the way. See how like I'm pushing on it, there's still wasn't fully disengaged there. So I guess that's my one big gripe about this knife. And I have noticed, at least on the last couple, well, I guess it was just the last blade, and now this one, they just have the Ravencrest Raven on there, but they don't have the blade steel labeled anymore. And Ravencrest uses 440C on just about everything. I think every knife I've ever received from Ravencrest in the subscription is 440C. But this one and the one that they sent last month, it doesn't have the blade steel labeled. So, you could call it mystery stainless until they get this uploaded on the dang website. Now I do now see a little bit of a fit and finish issue. You see that they've accidentally sliced that corner off, and then they nicked it on this side too. So I'm sure that was unintentional when they were putting the bevel on there. So that's not cool. And there is a little bit of a blemish right there by my thumb. If you can see that does not wipe off. That is wear on the coating. So I guess we found a couple imperfections, but it doesn't bother me that much. It's okay. All right, let's get a piece of paper out. We'll see how she cuts. Ordinarily, the Ravencrest knives are very sharp out of the box. So yeah, this one's sharp right out of the box. It is getting caught every now and then, so it might have a little bit of a burr on there. I'm just going to run this gently over this wood, and that should get any burr off there. So let's try this again. Try and hold the paper. Yeah, it just had a little burr on it. Now it's good. That paper folded there, that's why that got caught. So yeah, nice and sharp. Yep. Okay, so there's that. I did bring a little bit of the green paracord out here, so we can do a push through. See if she pushes through. Oh yeah, whew, that was pretty easy. I expected it to be way harder for some reason, but yeah, that went right through. So I'm guessing the slice action is going to be even easier. So we'll see. Oh yeah, it barely traveled, and pretty clean cut there. So not too bad, not too bad. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think about the Ravencrest Ravenpac karambit here. Pretty interesting. I mean, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. It's not as bad as I originally anticipated when I pulled it out of the box. It's actually pretty nice for a karambit. I'm just not a karambit guy. Oh, I guess I should mention too that that pocket clip is reversible left to right, so it's going to be tip up only, but it is nice that they give an option for the lefties. And actually, this is already set up for lefties, so I'm in good shape here, you know. Unless, well, I guess no, it's not. You hold it that way. All right, that's the Ravencrest Knife of the Month for April. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.